West Bengal health scheme to the government school teachers, government sponsored school teachers. My lord,
Take instruction. It's a policy decision as to what you should do and not do. No, is there any representation from your end?
yes, my lord.
Then let them consider. Where is it?
Page number
Ajay, please come.
207.
207.
213.
Ajay, 213 to 217. Petitioner. The petition number 1 is a registered association, and the members of the association are the teachers and employees of different aided/sponsored schools/institution in the state of West Bengal. Stop. They pray for being extended the facility of the West Bengal Health and what is the name of this
West Bengal health scheme 2008.
স্কিম কোথায় লিখেছে? এ তো কি লিখেছে? ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল হেলথ ফর এমপ্লয়িজ এন্ড ফ্যামিলি, একটু দেখে নেবেন, ঠিক আছে? স্টপ. A representation from the end of the petitioners is pending consideration before the Commissioner of School Education. Oh, West Bengal Health Scheme 2014. ঠিক আছে? Without entering into the merits of the claim of the petitioner at this stage, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the Principal Secretary of the School Education Department to take a decision on the prayer made by the petitioners.
Kindly mix it the commissioner only.
Commissioner?
Because principal secretary not there also. Number 2 is commissioner of school education.
Page 213, I can see the representation addressed to the Principal Secretary.
Yes, that they have made so.
That is the reason, but will the Commissioner be able to take a decision? Because this is regarding the health scheme.
Because it is also to the commissioner, 213 top.
Yes, I've seen that also. But do you think the Commissioner will be the competent authority to take a decision with regard to the health scheme? It's the state government scheme.
My lord, kindly see this rule.
Why have you not made the Principal Secretary as a party? Finance Secretary is also there.
Yes, yes.
আচ্ছা, এটা কাজ করুন তো, the competent authority of the government to take a decision. Because you cannot, the Commissioner will not be in a position to do it independently. The Education Department is required, Finance will also be required.
That finance decision has to be taken by the, if at all, by the education, then sent to finance. So
For
initial
conference.
decision will be taken by the education department.
Yes. So
finance-
Secretary, Department of Education?
It is not a party, that is the only thing.
One, respondent number 1.
Yes, that is also not properly added, but very
Yes, not properly added, but then Secretary Education, because in case they come in
the principal secretary.
Principal Secretary Education, make it the competent authority of the government. Because you know what happens in this type of orders, at the time of contempt, it becomes difficult to get hold of a person.
Yes, that
This is the reason we fix up the responsibility. Yes.
But then, that authority
First title is to be.
Says,
Then I'll give him leave to make the Principal Secretary as a party. Principal Secretary Education. Right. Copy serve করার দরকার নেই because state is already represented. ঠিক আছে? Take a decision within a period of 4 months from the date of communication of this order. A reasoned order shall be passed and communicated, and this representation to be forwarded 12th August 2025, page 213. ঠিক আছে?
My lord, kindly add one line. In the light of Right to Education Act.
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে. You've mentioned that in your representation?
Yes.
Right to education is there?
Yes.
Then it's alright. Then what is the use of repeating all these things? Disposed.